Hi my loves, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm so happy to be here. And now I'm ready to fall into this space with all things beauty. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Z and I'm a beauty creator. So I'm starting off with something super helpful. If you're just starting your makeup journey and wondering what to buy, today I'm breaking down a simple and affordable makeup starter kit for beginners. No stress, no confusion, just the basics you actually need. So grab a pen, let's build your kit together. Before makeup comes skincare prep, and you need a good moisturizer. It hydrates your skin and creates a smooth base. Even if you have oily skin, you still need to moisturize before makeup application. A primer, this makes your makeup last longer and controls oil. It smooths out pores and preps your face for foundation. If you have oily skin, get a mattifying primer, and if you have dry skin, get a hydrating primer. This helps your makeup sit right and last longer. To create a flawless base, start with foundation. It's the first step to creating a flawless look. It evens out your skin tone and gives you a uniform base. Then concealer to cover up dark spots, blemishes, or under eye circles. It gives extra coverage where foundation isn't enough. Your concealer should be 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Then setting powder, loose or pressed, to set your makeup and reduces shine. It keeps everything in place, especially in hot weather. You'll also be needing powder foundation. It's optional but great for extra coverage. You can find affordable options from brands like Maybelline, Milani, Zikel, Yanga Beauty, or Nuban Beauty. To bring dimension back to your face, add powder bronzer. They are beginner friendly. It adds structure, warmth, and dimension to your face. You'll also be needing blush. Peach or rose tones are beginner friendly. They add color to your cheeks and makes your face look fresh. For eyes and brows, you need a brow pencil or pomade to fill in and shape your eyebrows. A neutral eyeshadow palette with browns, golds, and shimmer shades work great. They add color to your eyelids, easy to work with and great for everyday looks. Eyeliner pencil or kajal for your waterline for that eye-popping effect. Then mascara to lengthen and define your eyelashes. It gives your eyes a more awake and feminine look. For lips and setting, you need a lip liner, and brown is a must. It defines the shape of your lips and prevents lipstick from smudging. A neutral lipstick, a neutral lip gloss, and a clear lip gloss adds color and shine to your lips. A nude combo is perfect to start with. It just completes the entire look. Setting spray to lock your makeup in place. It helps your makeup last all day and prevents it from melting. And that's it, your full beginner-friendly makeup starter kit. These are the essentials I recommend if you're just getting into makeup. Now, don't feel pressured to buy everything at once. Build your kit gradually and practice as you go. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to use this product in a simple everyday routine. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay fabulous, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.